Hey guys, Paul here, inspecting my Tesoro Silver uMax for blown capacitors and also just some general upkeep to apply fresh white lithium grease onto those potentiometers here with the sensitivity 10K pot here and the 100K pot discrimination. Actually, it's surprisingly clean opening this up. This is an older silver uMax. I mean, this thing is at least 15, maybe 20 years old. It's got the ELDO 1.1 IC chip here, which I'm assuming is a proprietary Tesoro integrated circuit chip. So what we want to inspect for are blown capacitors. We're looking for bulging caps or any oozing chemical that may be coming out of those. If they're flat or slightly concave, then that's good. And these are all flat. They look in good shape. They would be bulging out on top if they were blown. So our capacitors are in good shape. Circuit board's nice and clean. I just wiped off that old lithium grease. You can use a solvent for that if it's all dried or not coming out right. Just going to apply a little bit of that onto each of those potentiometers. As most of you probably know, grease attracts dirt and oil and grime. So we want just enough to keep that pot turning nicely. Knobs are turning nice and smoothly. Very nice. Some of you with older detectors, like myself here, with, after 15 years or so, 20 years, you may notice some separation, or just with the changing climate conditions of heat and cold and humidity levels, you can find a gap between your faceplate here and the housing of your metal detector, and you definitely don't want any dirt or moisture to get up in there in the circuit board. So what I do is I just use some silicone adhesive, and I'm using DAP silicone here. And what you want to do is just put a very light bead of that along the edge of between the faceplate and the housing. When you're working with the silicone, it's a good idea to smooth that out so that you don't have any bumpy areas, because those bumps will be the first to go. They'll be the first to get knocked and crumble off. Hey guys, thanks for watching and happy metal detecting.